Hello and welcome back to Grad-Dreams YouTube channel. This is Sanjana here and today we are going to talk all about Ravensbourne University, London. But before that, if you are someone who is looking for study in UK, then check out the appointment link in the description box below and clear all of the doubts. Ravensbourne University, London, formerly known as Ravensbourne College of Design and Communication, is a digital media and design university. Ravensbourne was established in the year 1962 and the university is located at North Greenwich. Ravensbourne was a strong track record in getting good jobs for the graduates because they equip them with the practical skills they need to excel in the workplace. University's current graduate employability rate are impressive of around 94.7%. Top bachelor's and master's programs to study at this university are fashion, digital film studies, design and many more. The university ranked around 130 as per the Times University Guide and 201 out of 240 as per the QS World University ranking. The university accepts English proficiency examinations such as IELTS, TOEFL and PT. IELTS score ranging between 5.5 to 6, TOEFL score of 72 and PT score ranging between 42 to 50. These are the basic requirements for both undergraduate and postgraduate courses. The bachelor specific requirements are the student need to score 60% and above in their 10th and 12th grade. Official transcripts and mark sheets of their 10th and 12th grade, SOP and LORs. The master specific requirements are the student need to score 60% and above in their bachelor's degree. Official transcripts and mark sheets of their bachelor's degree, SOP, LOR and resume. The university requires an application fee of around 20 GBP for just undergraduate courses. The tuition fee usually ranges between 16,000 to 18,000 GBP for per year, and that too for both undergraduate and postgraduate courses. But it is important to note that the tuition fee can change according to your choice of program. The university offers both scholarship and accommodation to all of the international students. The scholarship is available to both undergraduate and postgraduate students depending on their merit basis. And the accommodation is available to all of the international students. For more detailed information on accommodation and scholarship, you can check out the links in the description box below. Now coming to the important part of the video, that is the jobs and salaries. The average base salary of an alumni graduated from this university usually ranges between 30,000 GBP to 50,000 GBP. It is important to note that the salary changes according to one's profile, location and more importantly the career background, and also if you have chosen a different career aspects. So that was it for the video. If you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Hit the bell icon for more updates from Grad-Dreams.